Get your backside off that bed now.
Right.
Thank you.
In the blue corner, my pumped-up protein pancakes, which were guaranteed to put zing. Watch yourself, Ollie.
Ollie and Annie should be tucked up in bed. It's late.
Annie woke up and was missing her mum, and George thought Ollie needed some cheering up. Isn't that right?
Pancakes were a family tradition after bad news. Always made us happy, even Grumpy Drozzy.
True, even me. And if we have to indulge the old pancake toss-up, so do you.
Good to say you've Annie and Ollie. Truth.
Pancakes are like your children. The first one's always messed up.
Thanks for that, Mum.
I've got to go downstairs. Tracy's been on her own all night. Say thank you to him, darling.
Right, Ollie, bed.
Can we read Ollie a bedtime story?
I bet I can pick out your favourite book.
Yes, please.
All right, just the one, okay, and then straight to sleep. Give me a kiss, Tom.